This door, oh, it's creaky. It's hard to open and close. This looks just dry as a bone. So what I'm going to do is actually remove this rubber seal, and I'm going to use some WD-40 Specialist water resistant silicone lubricant. It says ideal for locks and hinges and things like that. And this, when it dries, it won't attract dirt, which is ideal for a vehicle. And red, and I'm going to follow all the directions. It says shake the can. Can is shaken. I'm going to put on some goggles and carefully spray some in here. And I'm using silicone because petroleum-based products, lubricants, can deteriorate rubber, and I don't want to deteriorate that seal, so get some in here. Not going crazy, but I get enough lubricant on that. Oh man, much better already. Wow. I'll spray a bit more in there. Oh, that's unbelievable. The door opens and closes so much easier. I'm gonna put that gasket back on. Keep dirt out of there as much as I can, even though the product dries. It doesn't attract dust. Keep that out as much as possible. Oh, it's so much better. For the hinge pins, this is all steel in here. There's a pin up here that the one bracket, this is attached to the body, and then this bracket's attached to the door, and it pivots on that pin. There's another one down here, and then there's another hinge on the bottom of the door. I'm going to use liquid wrench, white lithium grease, stays in place and prevents rust. I've read, and I'm going to follow all the directions. Does not freeze, melt, or run. Inhibits rust and corrosion, long-lasting heavy-duty lubrication. Dense grease coating protects against moisture and oxidation, cuts friction to extend life. It says shake up the can well. I'm going to put on some goggles. And I've attached the straw. I'll spray a little bit up in this top piece. Whoop. I'm in here. Oh, it comes out of there quick. A little bit underneath. Over the door. I'll put some down here. Well, it comes out of there in a hurry. And I'm going to do the bottom one also. Yeah, that bar is still making a bit of a, oh, it's even squeaking. And there it goes away. It's so much better than it was. The door opens and closes easy, but I'm going to let that sit for a bit, and then I'll wipe off the excess with a drag. But it's so much better. The door moves so much easier. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.